2025 is going to be a defining year for 3D printing in dentistry. Companies are investing millions of dollars in research and development for new polymer chemistries and filler particles. Sprint Ray high translucency resin is coming out Q1. They've optimized the filler particle size and refractive index, increased the filler particle concentration to 60%, and we have a beautiful, strong, durable resin material that could be used for no prep, minimum prep veneers as shown here. Ultra translucent, beautiful for partial coverage restorations, inlays and onlays, those filling replacements. I think 2025 is going to be the year that these take over direct resins, and honestly, they blur the lines between a ceramic and a resin material. And this is just going to be very exciting for the profession of dentistry. We also, are able to print thinner than we ever thought we could mill. And so this right here is under 100 microns thick, no prep veneer on a peg lateral, and the translucency is just lifelike. We've been doing lots of cases with this material, putting it through its paces over the course of the very last year, and we could see that the results that we're able to get through printing are phenomenal. We're able to do things with this technology that, perfectly crafted by light, not diamond burrs. It's incredible. Then take retainer materials, direct print retainers. There's multiple companies coming out with this. Sprint Ray, I think, has the lead because it's easy to post-process theirs. You don't need special equipment. They're beautiful materials, only getting better in 2025 with updates to the resins. And then I've been pushing it through its limits and even doing off-label things like dentures. This is a clear denture with painted pink, and we have partial dentures. Why? Because the flexibility and memory is perfect for a partial denture. Ivoclar has come out with a new denture-based material that is supposed to be validated on Sprint Ray systems. It is a beautiful, durable denture-based material, but what's more impressive is Sprint Ray's new resin technology with their 70% filled Midas crown material. This is going to be perfect for partial coverage and full coverage, and the first time I'm really saying full coverage with 3D printing, and I think it's going to change how we think about indirect dentistry and same-day chairside dentistry, because for about under $15,000, you could get a full system ready to go with this revolutionary new resin. And because it is a new type of printing, we're able to go beyond 70% filled with this technology, and it's beautiful new long chain polymers that they've had a breakthrough in their resin technology. It's at least 10 times more wear resistant than any printed resin that's come before it, and it's better than milled resins and rivaling that of ceramics. It's supposed to be equal to enamel in its wear resistance. And this is under multiple conditions, high acidity, high enzyme environments. Couple this with new nano glazes that we have coming on the market that are penetrating inside the actual print resin to create a intrinsic durable glaze that doesn't brush off. This is going to provide for super easy finish and characterization. And of course, with the Midas, you could print 3 crowns in 8 minutes, or 5 onlays, or 10 veneers, all in about 8 minutes. That is insane. And because it is a new type of technology, we're able to actually print even pure ceramics eventually. I could see this coming at the end of 2025, maybe the beginning of 2026, with sinterable glass-fired materials from the same platform. This is what excites me about 3D printing, the ability to do ultra-conservative adhesive restorations. Now, AI design is taking off in 2025. Sprint Ray has their own software that they've been working on in the cloud. And of course, iTero just announced that they have basically exocad bundled, included with the subscription for the iTero with no additional fee right now. And it comes 1 year when you purchase Illumina. So this is really cool. You get full-blown exocad for inlays, onlays, crowns, bite guards, bridges, unlimited design, and it includes some of the AI technology that they've been building within this software. We have many others coming in 2025. This is going to be an incredible year for chairside same-day dentistry. And we're just getting started, so I cannot wait to see what this year has in store for us. And I'm really excited to be a dentist right now. I could not think of a better profession to be in with technology leading the way across all other professions. It's super exciting to be a dentist right now, and now is the time to start adopting this technology into your practice.